Hello everyone, I am Ramesh KS. In this session, we are going to discuss about creation of a user in Fusion Cloud, Oracle Fusion Cloud. So, so I am going to write here. So I am going to write here. So this is the concept in Oracle Fusion. Create a user and assign role to that user. How to create a user in Fusion Cloud? So we can create a user in Fusion Cloud. First, we have to log into the system. So this is the Fusion Cloud login. Okay, HTTP. So after logging, we have to move on to this area, and we need to choose. Wait a moment. Tools and security console. So tools and security console. Click on security console, and here we have user. Click on the user and add user account. So we have to give the first name here. So you can give any name. So I'm choosing what Priya. Last name I'm taking 97 98. Okay, so this is optional. So if you issue tab, automatically it pop-ups this username and password we need to keep. So I'm keeping here some password, and here also I'm keeping the password here. Okay, so save and close. So it is taking some more time to open. Okay, so now let us check whether our created user is created or not. Okay, so just um I will come out from this existing user. I will use the sign out. So it is working. So it is signed out. Okay, again I'm re-logging with the now new user which is created as of now, right? So Priya dot 98, correct? So the same password I have given. Okay, yes, it is working fine, correct? So but we cannot see any rows associated with user. So suppose if you go here, tools, so there is no that what credentials, that means that options, that rows, no rows associated with this user. That's why we could not see anything, right? So for that, what I have to do is I have to log into the previous user which is having all access. So from there I am bringing some rows to this the new user. Okay, so I have created this user. I have added some rows to this user. Now from this user I am going to add some rows to that new user. Okay, so how I am going to do that? So go to here and the same tools and security console. This option is not visible, right? Why it is not visible? Because we have not included any rows to that user. That's why it is not displaying. So now what I'm going to do here, I will search for the newly created user. So Priya is my newly created user. I'm searching here. So sorry, I'm searching in roles. Okay, have to go to users and search here. Okay, so the user created is Priya. So I'm clicking on it. Priya 98 is my newly created user. So here there is no active rows, right? So what I am going to do now, I have to add some rows to this user. For that I am going to edit and I am adding role. So which one if you want to enable security console, which role we need to add? IT security manager. IT IT security manager. So I am adding this one. Add role membership. So this is done. So you can see this role is attached to this user. So let us check whether the security console is enabled to this user or not. For that, what you have to do? We have to we have to come out from this user. We have to sign out and re-log in with that created user, newly freshly created user na. So take this user and check whether the security console is enabled or not. I'm checking now. See here, I'm going here, tools. See, if you see, so it is enabled. So it doesn't mean, so with the help of FIDO security manager role we can enable this one. So with this, what we can do, so we can create new users, right, and also add new users to the roles to the existing users. Okay, thank you everyone.